We'll learn how to create QR code tickets and verify the users. With this, you can download the QR ticket at bulk, which includes a serial number and a password for user verification purposes. So let's get into it. We have different types of tickets available. We will see each one at a time. Initially, we will see how to create a movie sort of ticket. We can create a, let's say, for example, okay, and preview. See the QR code changes. Let's get back, and there is another event kind of ticket, and all these are editable. Let's see. Let's make it happen. In this QR code, if you want to change and preview, see the QR code changes. Let's pick one. Let's work with this. In my other video, you probably have already seen how to create different kind of tickets and download. This is a step up from it. Let's go with this movie ticket. I want to have, let's say, new. Okay, this password is optional. If you create a password, we will have a new thing pop up here. So you have to scan that, and then you will be taken to a verification system, which we will see in a bit. Once we have this, we'll preview, and you'll see the QR code changes. Movie 1, non-transferable value 2, let's say 12, 2023. Entry time is 1 p.m. Everything is whatever you see, um, the text, you can change it. Okay, now we will see, actually you can actually download the ticket. So the ticket is downloaded. We'll see how the ticket looks. This is how the ticket looks like. So let's say if you want to create an event which, let's say 100 people are attending, and you want to create a QR ticket with serial numbers included in it. For that purposes, you need to use a password. I'm going to use a password, something like, password, PASSWORD. Don't use the same password, but you have your own password. Okay, once we hit preview, see this new thing popped up. This is important. Don't share this with anyone. This is the one that you can download. Let's download this one. This is for admin purposes. So when you scan this, see when I hover over it, it has a verifier, password is password. So this one is important. You don't have to share this with anyone. Just download it. So it's downloaded. So this is the ticket number 1. And once I download it, it's a second for the second user. And I created, see, every time I click this download button, this QR code is changing. That means there is an embedded serial number which you can confirm after scanning the QR ticket that's presented to you at the venue. Okay, so this is done. Now let's see how to do user verification. For that, you need to scan this code right here, which we just downloaded. Okay, after going to that link, you will see something like this. Okay, now the application has been loaded. Initially, the very first time you have to request the camera permissions. You have to allow it. On the desktop, it will say something like this, but on your phone, it might be something different. Click allow. Okay, now the camera has been activated, and it's actively scanning for QR code. Let's scan a QR code and see how it works in action. Okay, this is the code that I have gotten on my phone. So let's scan this. See, user has been verified, successfully verified. Let's see what happens if we scan it again. See, second time it will fail because this ticket has already been passed. And you can also upload another image. We'll go with ticket 1. Now the user has been successfully verified. Okay, let me go back to another ticket. it will fail, because once the user has been scanned, the browser will remember the user, and it will not let, it will show you that user has already been scanned. So this way you can stop people, trying to cheat or something. So this is how you can create QR tickets and have it scanned. No application required. The only thing that I would recommend you to do is create a very strong password. Okay, so that way, that's the only thing that's holding this together. So what I say again is, create a really strong password.